Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about interviewing. Interviewing is a technique of investigation and an instrument of research. We have four types of interviewing. One, direct or structured interviewing, non-direct or unstructured interviewing, focused interview, and repetitive interviewing. One, we have direct or structured interviewing in which you ask a predetermined questions. Predetermined questions are asked then in non-directed or unstructured type, where you ask the person to freely collect the information by free discussion. We just discuss the thing with the person. There is no predetermined questions. Then we have third, which is focused interview. Focused interview, here we focus an attention on particular question. Then we have repetitive interview. In repetitive interview is done to get through the gradual influence of process. We ask the questions repeatedly in repetitive interview. So we will learn the steps of interview. Steps of interview are: first, establishing contact between the interviewer and the person who is answering the questions. This is first important prerequisite. Then starting an interview. We should start the interview and securing a rapport. During interview, recall all the things that they tell during the interview, probe questions, and we will have to encourage the person to give good answers and guiding the interview in a particular way. And at the end, we should close the interview, and finally we should give the report. So those are the steps of interview. Then we have one important lines about group dynamics. Group dynamics are family. Family is the most powerful example of social cohesion. Family is the primary unit of all societies. Crowd is a group of people coming together temporarily for a short period with common interest or curiosity is crowd. Crowd has no internal organization, or it does not have any leadership in a crowd. Then we have mob. Mob is a group of people coming together temporarily for a short period of time is mob. Mob has a leader is present, and in mob there is more emotional attachment than the crowd. Mob people have unstable and lacks internal organization. There is no stability in a mob. Then we have herd. Herd is a crowd with leader. Members of the herd should follow the orders of the leader without questioning. It is almost like a crowd, but if they have a leader, then we call it a herd. Then we have band. Band is the most elementary community of few families living together. This band is organized well. It is organized well and it follows a pattern of life. That is band. Then village. Village is small collection of people permanently settled in a locality, and homes and cultural equipment is called a village. Then we have towns and cities. We all live in towns and cities. So if you have to know the definition, towns and cities are large, dense and permanent settlement of social heterogeneous individuals. That is socially different individuals. If they settle together, that is towns. In the towns, the community is divided into smaller groups based on wealth and social class. Then we have state. Definition of state. State is a social group based on territory. is called as state. The state is most stabilized and formalized heterogeneous in nature. It is most stabilized, formalized, heterogeneous in nature, and Indian Union is a large state. So these are the different one-liners and definitions in SPM. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you.